conjunction but. It gets translated to the Shona word asi. Asi. Some examples. I want to eat, but I am not hungry. The translation, ndiri kuda kudya, asi handisi kunzwa nzara. I want to eat, that is, I want to eat, that is, ndiri kuda kudya, but asi, I am not hungry. Handisi kunzwa nzara. Okay, next example. Granny loves meat, but she does not have any teeth left. The translation, gogo vanofarira nyama. Granny in Shona it's gogo.